Hi, my name is Alex Sanchez and I'm a resident of Kosciusko County. Today I'm standing in the awesome outdoor seating area at Ledgeview Brewing Co. What makes Ledgeview Brewing Co. unique is that they brew all of their beer in-house, they smoke all of their own meat, and they have an awesome food selection. Thank you. Another great beer and food option is Cave Brewing Company, conveniently located right between North Webster and Syracuse, Indiana. With 16 beers on tap, all brewed in-house, and an awesome dinner menu and full-service kitchen, Cave Brewing Co. is the perfect option for after work or over the weekend with your family.
What you having?
Yes, I will take a street taco and a strawberry shortcake dream.
All right, I'll get that for you.
Another great destination brewery and dining option is Hoplore, located right in the middle of Leesburg, Indiana. With their creative food menu and awesome fruit-forward beers, it's the perfect place to bring your friends or family on a weeknight or weekend. If you're more of a spirits person than beer, a great location to check out in downtown Warsaw is the Anthology Whiskey Room. Decorated with rich wood and leather and with over 1,000 labels in stock for you to choose from. And located in downtown Warsaw, right on Center Street, steps away from Anthology, is Paradiso, a travel-inspired specialty cocktail bar. Beautifully decorated and tropical themed, Paradiso creates a great atmosphere to enjoy awesome cocktails with friends. We invite you to
live well in the moment.